Hey everybody, it's artist Roger Andrews from SketchyGOichie. Hey, I just wanted to alert you guys. I am doing a daily challenge. It is one illustration per day, every single day of the year, in color, on Procreate, no matter how busy I am, no matter what's going on in my life, at least one per day, and I'm posting it every day. And here's where you guys come in. I definitely need some inspiration for images. Of course, I've drawn everything from Marvel characters to DC to Star Wars, you name it, over the years, particularly for my toy clients. But it would be wonderful to have a cool batch of interesting ideas from you guys of what single characters to render. And I'll tell you what, if yours gets selected and I draw it up and it gets posted on social media, likely Instagram, Facebook, or whatever, you will be shouted out. That's for sure. And I'm thinking of some interesting ways to maybe get the artwork to you guys. Again, these are one-offs. I'm not looking to sell them. I'm not looking to do anything with them beyond just the pure enjoyment of sketching something new every single day. It could be historical characters. It could be stuff from anime. It could be stuff from toys, games, you name it. I can do it for you. So feel free to follow me on Instagram at SketchyGOichie, on Facebook, on YouTube, and let's see what we can come up with together, and let's see if we can have some fun. All right, looking forward to seeing your suggestions or recommendations. See ya.